Hi everybody, my name is Jayanti from Vidhyalakshmi Matric High Secondary School. Today we are going to see a beautiful topic about birds, lesson number 8, birds, class 3. So today we are going to see about a beautiful creature, birds. Let's start. Yes, with the beautiful quote, no school, no teacher, yet the world's best engineer, that is bird. So we are going to see the birds' beautiful activities, how they are build the home, how they are living, what are the food they are eating. We are going to see one by one. Let's start. Yes. With the introduction about birds. Birds. Birds are animals. Birds have beaks. So birds have beaks. One by one we'll see. Birds have beaks, claws, wings and feathers. So birds are animals. We know already birds are the animals. It will fly to reach one place to another place. Next, we are going to see each and everything about the bird's activity. First, we are going to see beaks. So, what is the speciality of beaks? Beaks, we are going to see. Birds do not have teeth. Yes, we know already. Birds don't have teeth. With the help of the beaks, it will eat the food. Birds do not have teeth. They have beaks to catch. Yes, beaks to catch and eat food. So with the help of the beaks, the bird will catch the food and eat the food. Birds have different types of beaks depending on what they eat and how they get their food. So with the help of the beaks, what they will eat different types of food with different varieties of beaks also. So depending upon what they eat. So what they eat, how they get their food. So birds such as sparrow and pigeon have strong, short and hot beaks to break and eat seeds and nuts. So with the help of the beaks, the sparrow and the pigeon, how they will eat the food? They will catch the food and eat the food. For example, the nuts and seed is the best food for the sparrow and the pigeon. Yes. Next, this is the sparrow, we already know. Next, this is the pigeon. Now, the sparrow is reducing in the population of the birds. Okay. Next, we are going to see about woodpecker. So, next we are going to see woodpecker and then hoopoe. So, birds like woodpecker and the hoopoe make holes into the tree. Yes, make holes into the tree trunks to feed on that insects living there. So with the help of the beaks, they will what? They will make the holes in the tree. So they will stay inside that hole. So after that, they will catch the food to feed to their eggs. Next, they have strong, sharp and chisel shaped beak. So can you see this? So it is very sharp. It looks very beautiful also. Yes. This is woodpecker and then this is hoopoe. So contains a strong, sharp, chisel shaped beaks. These are the speciality of woodpecker and hoopoe. Next. Yes, next we are going to see a different and very fantastic topic. Birds like eagles. Yes, it looks very beautiful. Eagles, vultures and hawks eat flesh of small birds. Flesh of small birds and animals. They have strong, sharp and hooked beaks with which they can tear the flesh. This looks very gigantic and it looks very bravery. Yes. So this is the speciality of this kind of birds. Once again I'll repeat back. Birds like eagles. Yes, this is eagle. Next, this is vulture. Next, this is hawk. So, these kind of the birds will eat the flesh of small animals and birds. Yes, with the help of its sharp and hooked like beak. This is like a hook. It is the beak of the hooks. It is bent like this. So, that is called hooked beaks. With this help of the beaks, it will tear the flesh of animals and birds. Yes. So can you understand? Yes, I know very well. Next we are going to see other birds, goose and duck. Birds like ducks, goose and few cranes get their food from water. So these kind of water birds will get food in the water. Next, these birds have broad and flattened beaks. Yes, and broad and flattened beaks with holes are on either side. Yes, can you see the holes? Yes, this is the speciality of this beaks. Can you see the holes? Yes, I will mention here. Once again, I will repeat. Birds like ducks, geese and a few cranes get their food from water. Next, the birds have broad and flat beaks with the holes on either side. Next, they take insects, worms and the plants along with the muddy water. Yes, in the muddy water, it is it is dirty water, maybe we'll say. The muddy water, it is color, it is brown, dark brown in color. So in that place, they will take the food from that water. Next, the muddy water flows out through the holes present in the beak, leaving the food inside. Yes, it is the speciality of the goose and the duck. It has their holes in the either side. Next, we are going to see a beautiful and excellent picture. Yes, can you see this? Yes. Birds like hummingbird and the sunbird have pointed beaks. Yes, these two kind of birds. This is sunbird and then hummingbird. The birds like the hummingbird and the sunbird have long pointed beaks. Long pointed beaks. They use their beaks to draw nectar from the flowers. Yes, the honey, we will say, from the help of the beaks, it will suck the nectar from the flowers. What are the birds are there? Sunbird and then hummingbird. So these birds are looking very beautiful. Yes. Yes. Next, we are going to see what is the special. Already we completed about what is the speciality and then what are the uses of beaks. Next, we are going to see wings, a beautiful part of the bird. Yes. Birds fly with their two wings. So birds can fly with the help of wings. Wings are attached to the body with strong muscle. Yes, the strong muscle with the part of the body, it will attach firmly into the body. The wings will attach firmly to the body. Next, birds flap their wings up and down. Yes, it will move the wings or flap the wings up and down. So it looks very beautiful. Can you see this picture? Yes. So it is also looks very beautiful. Next one. Feathers. So we know very well about that beaks and then wings. Next we are going to see feathers. Yes. So this is feathers. This is feathers. Yes, looks very, very beautiful. If you look at a bird carefully, you will notice its body and wings covered with many soft, light and fluffy things called feathers. Yes, can you see the feathers of this bird? It is parrot, one kind of parrot. So it looks very beautiful. It is covered with, the wings is covered with a soft, light and fluffy things called feathers. So this is called feathers. It is filled with soft, light and fluffy things. This is called feathers. Yes, the feathers are generally three kinds. The feathers are generally three kinds. What are they? Body feathers, down feathers and flight feathers. So these are the three types of feathers. Once again I will repeat. Feathers. If you look at a bird carefully, you will notice its body and wings covered with many soft, light and fluffy things called feathers. The feathers are generally of three types. What are they? Body feathers, down feathers and flight feathers. We will see one by one. First, body feathers. This is body feathers. So this is a picture of body feathers. Body feathers covered the bird's body. So it will cover the bird's body. Yes. Next we are going to see down feather. Down feathers help to keep the bird's body warm. So it is the uses to keep the bird's body warm. It will secure from any situation of the season, climate and changes. So changes it will secure from that climate. Yes, the down feather will secure that. Next, flight feather. Flight feathers. Flight feathers are found mainly on the wings and help the bird to fly. So this is it is like a flight. So it is very sharp. The end is most of all it is very sharp. So it is help the birds to fly very fast and move very fast. Next, nest. Yes, after finishing these types of body parts of the bird, next we are going to see how they will stay, how they will do the activities, where they will do, what they will activate. Next, nest. Birds need a home to lay their eggs and hatch them. So yes, for all the living beings, we need home to stay there. Next, the birds will need a home to stay and lay eggs and hatch them. So with the help of that home, where most of the birds will stay. Most of the birds will stay in trees with the help of nest. It has a different types of nest. One by one we'll see. The home of a bird is called nest. Yes. Can you see the picture? Yes, this is called a nest. It's a cup-like structure. Next, the birds make their nest usually on high places of houses, trees, even in electric poles. Yes, we will see around our places, from the circle of our home. We will see in the trees it will build most of the different kind of nests, in houses also, and then even in electric poles also. Birds make their nest using what are the things they will use to build? Leaves, straws, strings and wool, cotton and thread. So these are the things to use to build the nest of the birds. Next, birds have a variety of nests. Yes, I already said. The birds have a different varieties of nest. They will stay. First, we are going to see tailor bird. So, how the tailor bird will build the nest. First, tailor bird. Tailor birds use their beak like a needle to sew leaves together to build a nest. Yes, it is a special bird. It will sew their nest with the help of the beak. It is like a needle, like a structure. Yes, can you see this picture? Yes, it will stitch the leaf, attach the two leaves and stitch the leaves to make their nest. Yes, this is the creature of God's creature, very excellent. Next, we are going to see weaver bird. Weaver birds. Weaver birds use their beaks to weave their nest using pieces of leaves, grasses, twigs together. Yes. Can you see the picture? Yes. It is weave. So, like human, the birds also do this kind of activity. We also get teach from that bird only, I think so. Next. Woodpecker. Woodpecker use their beak to make holes in trunks, tree trunks, to pull out insect for food. Next, they also use these holes as their nest. Yes, can you see the picture? Yes, with the help of the beak, the woodpecker make the holes from the tree trunk. After they will stay inside that. So these are the varieties of nest of the birds. They will for the birds. So next, so these are the speciality of birds, how they will stay, what are the body parts of the birds, next how they will stay one by one. Can you understand? I think so. Yes, next. So thank you for watching. Thank you.